In my opinion, the industry at this point of time in our country is going through the biggest challenge faced during its existence for centuries. And I think the most serious issues concerning the industry are at this point of time are number one, that is the lack of trust. Millennials, particularly, are staying away or going away from gold, and they have shifted their fashion and investment preferences as well. So that, in my opinion, could be one of the biggest factor which is driving the demand towards the bottom of its like whatever we call it. And the most important thing I think is the mindset of the industry behind this kind of a behavior. The industry in our country has completely developed a trader's mentality, which I call it: buy something at X prices and try to sell it at Y. And there is a kind of not so, I would not call it sustainable, but there should be a decent margin in that. While the industry is indulging in this, continuing with this traders mentality, they are forgetting their responsibilities on the other side. They need to factor the cost of living and cost of society, raising standards of the society, raising standards of their people, the stakeholders, the karigars. Particularly, I am concerned about the karigars. I am a manufacturer, and for a manufacturer, it is becoming a greater challenge to continue producing goods in this kind of an atmosphere. Why? Because the industry is focusing on only one thing, that is margins, margins, and margins. So what happens is, while industry goes on pressurizing the margins for itself, the sufferer at the end is the karigar, the grassroots level component of the industry, that is karigar. And once again, there is a complete loss of trust. I am a manufacturer and I still believe in quality systems, responsibility, and whatever we produce, I have a belief that it has to be produced responsibly and sold to a customer or supplied to a customer with responsibility. Some sense of responsibility in the entire operation has to be there. But what happens is, the manufacturers like me face the biggest threat from the operators who do not believe or try to do anything about responsibility. I need to invest in systems, I need to invest in processes, the costs are there. So the competition from within is itself becoming a serious threat to the industry itself. So I would straightforward say that the one hand is trying to kill the other hand, or we are choking ourselves to death. So that, I think, should not happen. There is a time we need to wake up and shake ourselves into some kind of an active or proactive responsibility approach to what we do, the business we do, what products we make. We lack innovation, and again, the lack of innovation, the prime cause or the main cause behind the lack of innovation is suppression of margins at every level. We pressurize ourselves, we pressurize our karigars, they kill creativity, we pressurize our designers, the creativity is gone. And in a zeal to sell something cheap to the customer, we completely ignore that the customer is not going to remain the same forever. He is going to come demanding for new products, innovative products tomorrow, and we, unfortunately, I think we don't have a solution for that at this point of time. Again, my thoughts may hurt few people, but as industry, we need to awaken ourselves. The customer demands quality, and the customers may not, future customers may not forgive us at all for what we do today. There is an urgent need to look at standardization, quality, responsible manufacturing, responsible supply chain, innovation, because if we fail to do these things, the customers may be buying more of mobile phones, technology, appliances, travel, clothes, fashion accessories, and anything else under this sun, minus the jewelry. We need to wake up. We need to do something seriously. The time has come to join heads as well as hands to march towards a responsible supply chain model.